to our mental maths class. My name is Chijaziri and I work for Faster Learning Consulting. At Faster Learning Consulting we teach speed reading, we teach mental maths, and we also teach memory skills, okay? And also we teach how to languages, for example German, okay? So now for today I have something very special for you. I want you to look at some patterns, and this is only limited to some numbers when it comes to square root, but still I want to just enlighten you on how numbers relate, and I want to give you a different perspective how you should now start looking at numbers, okay? So join me and let's do. So suppose someone gives you ask you to find out the square root of 89. I think it's so easy. This is something that anyone, I suppose, should be able to know. The only thing is that you may know it's 9, but you don't even go deeper. Like you don't go beyond that to see what's the relationship. Okay. So look at this. So suppose you have this and you want to get the square root. Imagine just by adding that 8 plus 1 there, you are likely to get an answer. So 8 plus 1 gives you 9, and 9 is the square root of 81. So those are the key things that I want to start seeing when you're doing any calculation. Not just answering question, but asking yourself what's the relationship between these numbers. Second one is 2025, and you want to look at the square root. So one thing here, only by adding 2025, which gives you 45. So here 45 is the answer, and 45 is then also the square root of that number of 2025. The same appears here, 30, 25. So if you add 30 plus 25, it gives you 55, and that one is the square root of 30, 25. And this is just like, you know, like the pattern. When you're working with numbers, you're looking at numbers and like, whoa, what are the relationship? What is the pattern that is coming out? So these are the patterns that I wanted to show you. So if you have 9801, 9801, just by adding 98 plus 01 gives you 99. So that is the square root of 9801. Interesting, no? And then this one I also found it interesting because I realized that if I take 3 plus 2, I have 5 plus 4. So if I add them all, I will have here 9. But even more interesting, of course 9 is not the square root of this, but if you multiply this one by 2, you have 18. When you play with this kind of numbers, you should be able to realize this kind of pattern. And for me, it's like a game. It's like a game. It's something that I want to show. It's something that I want to just do, and you know, like in a way, like I'm doing mathematics, but also I'm playing. So that for me is the most important thing. Okay. So if you like this video, what we are doing, please subscribe to our channel to promote our work, and share these videos also to your friends. Thank you so much.